The National Investigation Agency (NIA) in Imphal has secured the formal arrest of Thangmin Thang Haokip, also known as Thangboy Haokip or Roger, a member of the Kuki National Front Military Council (KNF-MC). This arrest is in connection with the incident on April 27, 2024, where 2 Central Reserve Police Force CRPF personnel were killed and 2 others injured at Naran Sena Mani in Bishnupur District, Manipur. The Special Court NIA Manipur granted permission for the formal arrest and remanded the accused to NIA custody until October 28, 2024. The accused was initially arrested on June 6, 2024 at Imphal Airport in relation to a separate case under investigation by NIA Delhi. He is currently held in District Jail, Rohini, New Delhi. The court proceedings were conducted via video conferencing where the materials on record were reviewed. On October 25, Manipur Police announced on X that security forces recovered several items from Uyung Makhong in Bishnupur District. The items included 1 SLR 7.62 mm 1 magazine, 6 HE-36 grenades, 4 grenade arm rings, 2 tear gas grenades, 3 Stinger grenades, 5 dual shells, 6 blank cartridges, 2 WT sets Baofeng, 2 BP jackets and 1 improvised explosive device IED weighing approximately 2.3 kilograms, along with 4 detonators HE-36. In a separate operation on the same day, security forces recovered additional items from Shantipur Makhalaikai in Imphal West District. The recovered items included 1 single-barrel gun, 2 9mm pistols and 2 magazines locally made, 1 empty 7.62 LMG magazine, 3 M67 hand grenades with detonators, 1 tube launching device, 4 live rounds, 41 empty ammunition caches, and 2 tear smoke shells.